Welcome to this video. Now this video is a new style that I'm trying to perfect for you, because at the end of this it's a very simple thing that you have to copy and you have to upload and send it to me. So this is what this video is about. So it's about drawing a table, it's about looking at a radioactive decay, it's looking at how to do working out answers, it's how to fill in the table, and it's also a means by which that you can return work to me. And that's what this is about. So you will get 2 days to return this, but I'll work that out when the time comes. So the first thing I want to just do is, I just want to draw your attention to, this all comes from page 425. It's a bit of nuclear physics, again all about the nucleus, and we're going to have to draw a table. And I want you to draw a table for me and then to resubmit that table. So we're going to try to see, can I use the data pen? Oops, I'm using red. I'm going to use black. I'll go again. Right, there's the black. So I'm going to draw a table just the same as the table. So the quality of the table will be part of the assessment. Can you draw a decent table? And I'm drawing the table in the virtual world here with the pen. So you should find it a wee bit easier than I am. And we're just drawing the table. And I really do want you to submit this work. I need evidence to show at what level you're working at. And the quizzes are grand and I can see who's working and who's not. But I do want to see what people are doing out in the virtual world. And then I do want this uploaded so that I can mark it. Now you can see I'm putting a different colour in here. I'm just drawing a table, that's all I'm doing. I'm then going to fill in the table with the bits and pieces. And then I'm going to show you all the calculations, and then you're going to make the table. You're going to draw it on an A4 page in landscape. Words up, straight up, straight down. Hello, now there's the green. Why are you not behaving yourself, pen? Well, now he is. Hold on a wee minute. Right. Pen has said it. It's not going to read the paper. Right, you can see the table that I'm drawing. Yours should be better than mine because I'm in a virtual world here with the pen. So there's no reason why you shouldn't have yours better. I'm going to change colour now. I'm going to write in the word symbol, atomic number, mass number, sometimes called atomic mass number, decay by, emitting, leaving. So I'm just element, there's a small mark there but I'm not taking it out. Right, and then we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's that done. And so we're going to try to fill these in as we go along, but if you read the question, it says, in what way does the mass number and the atomic number change in alpha decay and beta decay? Now, this is where you have to use your brains. For a start off, alpha, 4, 2, He. There should be nothing new there. And remember also, A, cross, zebra. There's your number of protons, there's your number of nucleons, and there's your element. A beta particle, I'm going to do a different colour, I'm going to try to really push the boat out in this one. A beta particle, 0 E minus 1. Fair enough? Now, let's look at the generic, if you lose an alpha particle. This is the general rule. If you're a parent, let's see, we did the alpha in black, we'll go back to black. If you're a parent and you decay because your proton to neutron ratio is unstable, you form a daughter plus an alpha particle. So the parent goes to the daughter plus an alpha particle. Nothing new there, we've done this before. So remember, A cross zebra. So I'm going to put the zebra in there and the A. Remember the numbers, follow the blue line, blue dot. See those numbers there? That number should add up to that. So that should be A take away 4. Because A take away 4, add 4, gives me A. Z take away 2, add 2, gives me Z. So that's the general rule for it. And we have met that in other videos. And if you don't understand it, go back and look at the other videos. Now I'm going to look at the generic rule for beta decay. So what have we got? We'll go for a different colour. We'll go for, what colour was that one? Blue. There's your parent, goes to your daughter, plus the beta particle. That's the generic rule. There's the parent, there's the daughter, and there's the beta particle, not E minus 1. Now remember, go back up here, how we look again. A cross zebra. So that's A and that's Z. That's the number of protons and that's the number of nucleons. So that must be Z plus 1 and that's A. Let's have a look at the numbers. Z plus 1, follow the blue dot. Z plus 1, take away 1, gives you Z. A plus 9 gives you A. And that is your beta decay. Now, you need to know that. You have to learn that. I can't change that for you. So now, let's see, can we go up and do these questions? Fill in the table, then you can send this back to me. Right, so we're going to do the first one. So it's on page 425, it's question number 4. Let's fill in the table. So you have the table, let's see, can I get up here? You have the table filled in. Let's say yours should look much better than mine because those, see if I follow my blue line down here, see that line there? In my world that doesn't exist, but in the virtual world it does. So you have to have it perfect. So we'll take the first one. There's uranium. Atomic number is 92, it's 238. It emits an alpha particle and becomes thorium. Now I'm going to go down and do that equation. So I'm going to do equation number 1. There's my uranium 92, 238. Remember, A cross zebra. There's the zebra and there's the A. You with me? So that's going to emit an alpha particle. So it goes to an alpha particle, 4, 2, He. So what's this thing here? Well, that has to be 90, because 90 and 2 gives me 92. And that has to be 234, because 234 and 4, where did that dot go? 234 and 4 gives me 238. Fair enough? So that is, if you look along here, look at the next one, that's thorium. If you look at the table, it's thorium. So that's thorium. Fair enough? Now, don't ask me where that black line came from, I have no idea. Let's look at number 2. It tells me I've got thorium. I'm up here now at number 2. What does it tell me I have? It tells me I have thorium. It tells me 90 is 234. It's going to emit a beta particle and it's going to get PA. Now PA, if you're really stuck and don't know what it is, page 526, so you can hear me now in the background clicking at the back of your book, page 526, if you look for PA, right, PA is 91. It's protactium, right? You can see it there. Fair enough. Look at page 256. It's near the bottom second in from the left. So let's do this. 90, 2, 3, 4 goes to a beta particle, not E minus 1. Well, this has to be 91. And that has to be 2, 3, 4. So that happens to be protactium. Fair enough? So you then go back up here and you fill it in. So then you go to the next one, number 3, and it says PA, atomic number 91, atomic mass number 234, and it's going to emit a beta particle. So let's go down and do the question. Question number 3. I have protactium 91, 2, 3, 4, and it's going to go to something plus a beta particle. So that has to be 92, because 92 and minus 1 gives me 91. And that has to be 2, 3, 4. And again, 92, that's uranium. So that's uranium, I can scribble that one out. That's uranium, 92, 2, 3, 4. And it's a brother of that one. See the way? Same atomic number, different atomic mass, so they're isotopes. So let's go back up in here. So it goes to uranium. Fair enough? Now let's do question number 4. Question number 4. Let's see where we are in question number 4. Well, we don't know the first box. Something missing in there. Right? And we know it's 92, 2, 3, 4. It's going to emit an alpha particle, and what do you get? So let's go down and do question number 4. Well, where are we here? Question number 4. It's got 92, 2, 3, 4, and if I look up above it, 92 is uranium. Fair enough. Look up the table above it, number 1. So it's going to go to something plus an alpha particle, 4, 2, He. See up along here, number 4, look. Please, machine, move up. Something in there emits an alpha particle and goes to something. There's the alpha particle down here. Yes? So, what's this number in here? Well, that has to be 90. Because 90 and 2 gives me 92. And that has to be 230. 230 and 4. If you could read that, 230. And 4 gives me 234. So what is that 90? Have a look. It's thorium. Fair enough. So we can put uranium in there. And we can put thorium in over here. Now I'm going on to question number 5. It's 90, 230. Well, we've learned that 90 is thorium. Right, so let's go down here. And it goes and gives you radium. And so it's 90, 230, and it's thorium. So that's 90 on this side. And it emits an alpha particle. Look at the table, tells you up at the top. It emits an alpha particle. There's it there, look. Alpha, 90, 230. You keep looking at the table on page 425. So, what's this number here going to be? That number plus 2 gives you 90. So that must be 88. That number plus that number gives me 230. So that must be 226. Because 226 and 4 gives me 230. So that's thorium. So we've got that one finished. Now, let's look at number 6. I'm going to put the radon in there. Right, let's look at number 6. What have I got? I'm looking at the table again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got radon. I see. Number 6. I've radium there. I have 88, I have 226, and it goes to radon. Now radon gas is the gas that we have up and around Katie a lot because it's built on granite. So we're looking, what does this emit? So I'm doing question number 6. There's 5 done, and here's question number 6. So I know radium, 88, 226, goes to something, goes to radon, plus something. Now, can we look up above, can we find a radon? No, but you can find it below it on the table. Have a look, and you see it below it. Tells me it's 86 there, goes to 222. So on this side that's 86, and follow the blue dot, that's 88. So that has to be 2, so it has to be an alpha particle. So then that's 226, and then that'll be 222. Sometimes this pen's a bit like myself, it doesn't work. Right, so now we're going on to question number 7. So what have we got in question number 7? We have radon, 86. Now we don't know the atomic mass number. We do know, and we don't know what it emits, but we know it's going to go to polonium. Do I have polonium anywhere? Down here you have it, look. Down on the next, if you go to page 425, you'll see it below it. Right, so let's see what we can get done. Radon, 86, I'm doing number 7, right? Goes to polonium. Now, if all else fails, you can go to the back of the book again, page 526, and you'll find it's 84. So that must be a 2 there. Look, 84 and 2 gives me 86, because I looked up polonium in the back. 84 is polonium plus an alpha particle. So polonium's 218, so that must be 222. Fair enough. Another one done. So 86, 222, alpha. That's that one. Let's see, can I fill in number 6? That's alpha. Now I'm going to do question number 8. So what have I got? I've got polonium. And I've already got polonium earlier on. Look, there's it down here. So I'm back up here with the polonium. Ignore that black line. I don't know how I got that there. 218 goes to lead, old plumbum, 82, and an alpha particle. So that must be 214. I'm doing question number 8. So polonium must be 84. Alpha part 218. Alpha goes to lead. So I've filled in my table. Now I'm at question number 9. Lead goes to bismuth. Again, page 526 will tell you that bismuth is 83,209. So that's 82. Lead is PB is 82. We got it from up here. 83 plus 83,209 is bismuth. So how do you change an 83 to an 82? It has to be a beta particle, because it has to have a -1. Because 83 add -1 gives me 82. That's not, that's 209. That is for 209. Because again, that number has to equal to that number plus that number. Remember, go back up here. Do you remember that? What we did up here? Yes. And finally, number 10. Let me look at the table. Bismuth, 83, goes to polonium. Well, polonium is 84. The only way I can change that 84 to an 83 is to have a beta particle. There's it, 84 plus -1 gives me 83. Add up the numbers along the top. 209, 209. So let's fill in the bits and pieces. That's 82. They're giving me, let's see, this is question number 9. 82. I'm getting 209 here. and I'm getting beta particle, and I'm getting bismuth 209 and a beta particle. And there is the table completed. So, I'm going to zoom out a bit. I'm learning as I go along, a bit like yourself, so I'm going to zoom out. And there's the table, and there's all the working out. And what I want you to do is on an A4 page, in portrait, A4 page in portrait, to do all of this, and then to take a photograph of it, upload it onto the C2K, and that is your evidence of your working at a very high level. So that is what I want you to do. I'll see you shortly. Toodle pip.